Today we are going to learn how to protect a worksheet in your Excel sheet. The first step that you have to follow is to select which of the sheets you want to protect. So I want to protect this sheet and I would select this one. First, I would like that you should know why do we protect a particular sheet in Excel workbook. Sometimes you want that the sheet which you have created should not be used by others. Or if you want to share a specific data with someone, you want to allow that other person to make few amendments and not change everything in that sheet, then you protect your sheet and allow the other user to make some specific amendments or addition in that sheet. For this purpose, you first of all select the sheet you want to protect and then click on review option and then click on protect sheet. You will get this dialog box and you write a password here. I would write 1, 2, 3, and 4, a simple password, and then there is option protect worksheet and contents of logged cells. Yes, I would select this one, and here allow all users of this worksheet to select logged cells, select unlocked cells, and there are a lot of options you want to allow the other user to make amendments or addition. For example, you want the other persons to do format cells, then you check this option and so on, and then click on OK. Re-enter your password 1, 2, 3, 4. Now our sheet is selected. If I want to edit this, this would not allow me to make amendments. I have only allowed to select the cells and do nothing except that. So if I want to change the formatting, for example, you can see that I am not allowed to do anything. But if I want to make changes, I would go to review option and then unprotect sheet and then 1, 2, 3, 4 password, and then now this is unprotected. For example, I'd write here 34. Now this allow me to make amendments. So this is how we protect a particular sheet in Excel. I hope this video adds value in your knowledge. Thank you for watching this video.